Greetings, my dear friends. If today's joke gave you a chuckle, don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and it'll make us even closer as friends.
A woman walked out of the bank and suddenly realized she didn't have her car keys. She rushed back inside, searched her purse, and gasped, "Oh no, I must have left the keys in the car." Running to the parking lot, she froze. The car was gone. Panicked, she called the police, reported the car stolen, and even gave them the license plate number. Then came the hardest call of her life, to her husband. Stammering, she said, "Honey, the car's been stolen. I left the keys inside." Her husband thundered, "Are you kidding me? I dropped you off at the bank. You didn't even take the car." The woman sighed in relief. "Thank God." Then she asked, "Can you come pick me up?" Her husband replied, "Gladly, just as soon as I convince the police I didn't steal our own car." My sister asked me to take off her clothes, so I took off her shirt. Then she said, "Take off my skirt." I took off her skirt. "Take off my shoes." I took off her shoes. "Now take off my bra and panties." And so I took them off. Then she looked at me and said, "I don't want you catching you wearing my things ever again."